Hello, I'm Stephanie Quine with the Weekly Law Report. Lawyers Weekly is gearing up to host the inaugural Women in Law Awards in October, and we have 8 double passes to give away. The event will be held in Melbourne and will recognise excellence in the profession. For your chance to win a double pass, listen for the question at the end of this week's top stories. Tobacco companies challenging plain packaging rules have little chance of success, according to legal academics. The High Court rejected British American Tobacco's Australia's claim last week. Tobacco companies, however, haven't given up and have allegedly made claims to the World Trade Organization over violations of trade aspects of intellectual property rights. Andrew Mitchell, an international law expert from Melbourne University, says Australia is not trying to acquire their property, and that is the same argument that foiled the High Court challenge. The Australian Lawyers Alliance and the Law Council of Australia have condemned federal government plans to process asylum seekers offshore in Nauru and on Manus Island. LCA President Catherine Gale welcomed recommendations to increase the humanitarian intake to 20,000, but said others reflected a punitive approach. The ALA claims there will be major episodes of mental and physical illness among detainees, as shown by Howard's Pacific Solution. Immediate past president of the ALA, Greg Barnes.
What is quite disturbing is the failure by the Prime Minister yesterday to give any assurance about time limits on detention.
And I think there's a naivety on the part of the panel in thinking that politicians in this country who are extraordinarily short-term in their view of the world and put human rights